Welcome back to my channel Creative Study FK. Today, I will show you how to recognize your kids to alphabet's letters. I'll take these colorful alphabet's letters to make an activity. You need cardboard, colored markers, and plastic ready-made alphabet's letters. Now you will draw just simple square-shaped boxes that complete 26 letters. Now, I will just press letters on cardboard that will make a print to draw shape of letter easily. Outline with same color that a letter has. Do it with all letters. Now it is ready. Now you will ask your kid to place alphabet's letters with its same color. Your kids will make mistake to place letters, but after many times, your kids will get recognized of alphabets. Hope you will like this activity and try this activity at home or school. See you soon in next video. And share this video with your friends. Allah Hafiz.